These 4 drivers from Garrett County. Number 95, Daniel Fish from Bullskin, PA. And number 7, Tatum Grounds from Confluence, PA. These little ones are going to get our action started for tonight. We're going to go down to the trackside officials. Once they're ready, we'll give them a countdown from 5. And we will get the action started.
If it don't unlock,
all right, ladies and gentlemen, let's give these little kids a countdown, and we're going to start with 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Smash them up. Some of these Powerwheels got some pretty cool paint jobs on it. Don't know if you ever fell asleep in your kid's bed and woke up to reruns of Peppa Pig, but it's pretty cool. Believe it or not, you see these little kids running in their Powerwheels, and they are the future of our sport. They're young men now, young women now, competing across the country and built full-size and compact cars that started right here at the Powerwheels. So when you see these guys out here, they are learning how to drive at this point. The youth didn't really have anything to derby when I grew up, so me and my brothers would just wreck our bicycles or our Powerwheel or our tricycles or whatever we had. We'd wreck those into each other. And once those were broken and we got in trouble from our parents, we'd smash our matchboxes with hammers and turn those into derby cars. So these kids are living the life right now, wrecking their Powerwheels. Attention in the pits. If all drivers could meet up at the raffle van, all drivers meet up at the raffle van.
Thank you.
Happy birthday! Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Powerwheels are going to run for about 5 more minutes. Those kids are having a ball out there, so we're going to let them go for a few more minutes. And then we're going to draw the raffle van. So the raffle van was built by Jonathan Howman and Richard Fazenbaker. And it was built and donated in memory of Rich's mom, who had just passed away recently, Sharon Fazenbaker. If you know Rich, Rich is one of the best guys you would ever meet. He puts his heart and soul into the derby, into the derby community, and he did it again with this van in honor of his mom. So if you see Rich out and about, just give him a thank you, give him a hug. Other sponsors for the raffle van, R Masonry, Revd Up Automotive, Evans Machining Service, Safe Seal Foundation Solutions, Brittany Upole Realtor, biased, but she's the best realtor there is, Hardcore Derby Promotions, J&W Truck Bed Sales, H Recycling, Dakota Strawser D3S, Marcon Building Supply, Ritenour Light and Heavy Truck Auto, and Glade Pipeline Services. All of those companies have donated and given to not only the raffle van, but the entire show tonight. If you have any business or anything that they can help you out with, we ask that you reach out to them. You support the ones that support the show.
about 8:30.